What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We have a 2015 plus Subaru STI, and this one has lost power. It is not making boost. Maximum boost on this one was 2 psi. So this video is going to definitely help you out if you lost boost and your car's mostly stock. Okay, we're not talking heavily modified, but this is a very common issue on the 2015 plus. Usually 15 to 18 years. Okay, 2018. So I'll give you some of the symptoms. So no check engine light, no power, no boost, or very little. Engine has detonation or pinging sounds when you're flooring it, and the engine also, the exhaust gets quieter. Okay, those are the indicators. Sometimes if you're lucky, you'll have if you check with your scanner, if it has pending codes, it'll show a PO 420. 420 is for a melted cat or clogged up or bad catalytic converter or an O2 sensor, but usually the cat. So let me show you what we found on this car. So I removed the exhaust system, the center part, and just as I suspected, we have a busted catalytic converter right here. It's literally just lodged up in here. It's crazy. This will be covered under a warranty. See, I'm not an expert in warranties, but under the warranty here, it looks like it's covered for 5 years, or 7 years, 70,000 miles, or federal warranty could be up to 8 years, 80,000 miles. But don't quote me on that. So if you're past that mileage, you might not be able to be covered, but it's worth trying. Okay, but yeah, there it is. Damaged catalytic converter. This is caused by I think weak material, and maybe a defect in the tune, or could also be a misfire could cause this, but usually defective material in this case. And also, this car has 2 catalytic converters. There's the one in the back and there's one in the front. So the rear one should also be replaced, or at least looked at. In this case, definitely should be replaced. Try to get a view of the damage here for you. Look at all that damage. Totally melted up inside there. And if you look back here, it basically looks okay. You know? Looks fine. So don't judge the rear of the cat if you can't see the front, because if the damaged cat will crumble and fall apart and go inside here, or this one can melt and get crumbled and end up going back this way. And it kind of looks like the rear one got damaged and lodged in the front. But yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you got some help from watching this video, please put a like on there, write a comment to let me know that this helped you out, because this will help other people as well. And if you keep driving your car and you don't know what's happening, you can actually damage the engine. And Subarus aren't really the cheapest, especially turbo Subarus, when it comes to replacing engine parts. Turbos, engine, not fun. When something like this goes bad for too long, you're gonna end up replacing more than what you bargained for. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a awesome day, guys. Love, peace, and chicken grease.